Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Huawei Watch Fit 3. To begin, power on your device by pressing and holding the side button for a few seconds. Once on, you'll be greeted by the stunning 1.82-inch AMOLED touchscreen. You can effortlessly navigate through various features by swiping left or right to view widgets such as your heart rate, current weather, and daily activity rings. For quick settings, simply swipe down from the top. And to check your notifications, swipe up from the bottom. It's that easy to get started. Your Huawei Watch Fit 3 is an excellent fitness companion. To start a workout, simply open the app list and select from over 100 different modes, ranging from swimming to cycling. What's more, the watch intelligently detects 6 common workout types, like outdoor running or elliptical training, and prompts you to start tracking. With the advanced TrueScene 5.5 technology, your heart rate is continuously monitored, providing accurate data throughout your day and during exercise. Keep an eye on your daily steps, distance covered, and calories burned, all displayed clearly on your wrist. Beyond fitness, your watch offers comprehensive health monitoring. With TrueSleep 4.0, you can gain deep insights into your sleep patterns, including light, deep, and REM sleep stages, helping you improve your rest. The device also continuously tracks your blood oxygen saturation, or SpO2, providing crucial health data. If you're feeling stressed, the watch offers guided breathing exercises to help you relax. Plus, it will gently remind you to get up and move if you've been inactive for an extended period, promoting a healthier lifestyle. Make your Huawei Watch Fit 3 truly yours with extensive customization options. You can personalize your watch face by choosing from a vast array of styles available in the Huawei Health app, matching your mood or outfit. Easily adjust settings such as screen brightness, vibration intensity, and even enable the always-on display for convenience. And when it comes to power, this watch truly shines, offering an impressive battery life of up to 10 days with typical usage. Even better, a mere 10-minute charge can give you enough power to last an entire day, keeping you connected longer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.